Hello everyone, you are watching TechDem. Today we are going to show you how to convert Word, HTML, Epub and Excel to PDF, which might come in handy in many cases. So let's get started. First we're going to start Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let's open it, and now we're going to have to find Create PDF, and if it's not here, click on See All Tools. After clicking on See All Tools, you will find Create PDF. Now go ahead and select that. You can select single file or multiple files. So let me demonstrate first with single files, then I will show multiple files. Now after selecting single file, you're going to have to click on select a file. So let's click on it. And converting Word and other documents are, so I'm just going to go ahead and select an Excel file. Now let's go ahead and open this. Okay, now let's create. Now you're going to have to give it a few moments. Alright, so I think it has imported from Excel, Microsoft Excel was open. So as you can see, it has imported from Microsoft Excel. Now I have a PDF, so now let's see, press Ctrl S to save your PDF, or you can just go to Files and select Save from there. No problems, you can do anything you want. Then you'll have to select your destination where you want to export the file. I'm just going to export on desktop, so I'll select desktop, and then I'm going to rename it to test. Okay. Now let's see, my file should be created at the moment. So let's open test. Alright, Microsoft Edge, no problem. So as you can see, our test file is ready and it has become a PDF format. So guys, that's how you can convert your doc, Excel or TXT file to PDF. Now let's go ahead and close this test PDF and go to select See All Tools again. You can go to combine files or go to create files and then multiple files and then combine files. Well, anyway, it will lead us to combine files. We can also go there by clicking on the sidebar over here. Now let's go ahead and add files. We're going to add 3 files this time, okay? Now here is a docs file, here is an Excel file, and here is a Notepad TXT file. So let's go ahead and open it and let's see how well the Adobe Acrobat can do it. Alright, don't show this message again, it's from Microsoft Word, so okay, yes. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Combine, so let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, our Adobe Acrobat has opened up the PDF and I think it's totally done. Let's go ahead and scroll a little bit. Alright, I think the PDF is totally done. Here's the Excel file and here's the TXT file. Alright, we have everything here, so we'll Ctrl S and save the file. Select desktop, or you can choose a different location if you want, no problem. So we're going to select desktop, we're going to rename this text to. Alright, now let's go ahead and close this. Now we're going to open test 2 with Edge, so there's no shenanigans here. As you can see, we have radar. This is the docs file, and after the docs file we have the Excel file, and then we have the TXT file. No problem. So you can organize this while selecting the files. You can drag and reorganize while making a combined PDF. So guys, that's how you can create a PDF from Word, Excel, or even HTML, TXT file. And using Adobe Acrobat Pro was so easy as you saw. So guys, if you found it helpful, please do leave a thumbs up, and for more helpful videos like these, subscribe to our channel. And for more amazing videos like these, subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video with another helpful topic. So take care and stay safe. Goodbye.